Hey everyone, it's Terry. We're over at the Province House build. This is week 3. It's Thursday, the 14th of September, 2023. Just harvest some coconuts. We're getting some water out of there, so that's mine. So yes, you can drink water out of coconuts. We got 3 of them there. So I was drinking out of it. I guess he's going to get a spoon to get the rind out here. So yeah, what they've been doing since last week, they got the floor poured, because last time I filmed they were pouring the floor here. They're in here, got the walls, starting to finish off some of the walls a little bit. You can see they kind of got a more finished coat on them. And they took the bamboo, I guess that's to run some piping through, I assume. So he's in here sweeping. Oh, gotta watch my step. There's a window, so that's going to be a beautiful view to wake up to. Nice breeze coming down the mountain. There's the power lines. Another window here. Got the metal roof on. All that. What's this room going to be? Is that going to be a CR? CR. Okay, so this will be a CR back here. So comfort room, bathroom for the Westerns, because not everybody knows what a CR is. But so yeah, they have a little toilet and wash area and maybe a sink of some sort. Depends how fancy they get. So bathroom, bedroom. When they've done this is they're run electricity down through this pipe, some electrical wires. So they got that on a couple walls in here. I like to have a little bit more. I like electric on every wall, because in America we have many electric devices, TVs and just computers and everything. So I like to have on a big wall like this 15-20 foot section, I'd like to have 2 on that and 1 over there, but they put in about half as many as we do in the West, but because they don't have quite as many electric devices. So it's interesting learning the different ways to do. But yeah, the floor is all done. The bedroom and the CR's getting there done. So I don't know if they're built up the top. I assume all the way to the roof. Sometimes they leave that open for venting, breathing. So, but it's come along nicely. I think they've still targeted the first week in October to have that done. So they have about 15 more days roughly, 16, 17 more days, because it's the 14th. I think last time I was here it was Friday, so this is only Thursday. So that's the progress on the week update, 3-week update on the Province Build House. So yeah, they got a little light up there. So I guess they secured the place, or if they're working earlier or late in the evening, they can see their construction site. They got this hollow block. This is typical hollow block here in the Philippines. Now they may have multiple kinds, but the 2 that I'm aware of in this style is they have some that are just like poured into a mold, and then they have some that's poured into a mold, and then there's a hydraulic pressure a mold that presses it, which makes the block a lot stronger. So I think this is, I think some of it's pressed and some of it's not. But it's a lot more loose if it's not pressed, so it crumbles and breaks a lot easier. So, and I think the unpressed is 30 peso. So there's one that's broke or they've chipped off. And the pressed one's probably 40 to 60 peso, I imagine. So these blocks are 30 pesos a piece, which is about 25 cents or so, 25, 30 cents in America. So if you have any questions or comments, let me know. Just sharing my what I know or see here and learning as we go, because this is new to me. This is my 9th month anniversary today. I came in January the 14th, so beautiful view here. We went over there, and that's the coconut tree over there that we got coconuts out of. So I don't know if you can see them in there, but that's the tree. So these are real short coconuts. You have a tall one and a shorter one, and these short ones are ideal because I can almost stand on the ground and pick them, or just a very short ladder. A real tall one might be 40 to 60 feet high. All right, everybody, that's the Province update. He's back, got my water and everything, so we'll get a drink here and enjoy it. And I'll show you the inside of the coconut for those that's never seen it. So you take your spoon and you go like that, and that you eat that part there. Pardon my hand shaking. Very delicious. So you can eat that center, and here's the water out of it. So you get a good drink. One coconut usually is about 2 mugs full of water, and then you split it in half, and then you can get you a spoon or carve you a spoon out of the coconut, which is what the locals do. And then you can eat the inside of the coconut as well. It's quite delicious. All right, that's it from the Province Build. Appreciate everybody watching. Thanks for subscribing, and we'll talk to you later. Take care. Thanks.